door? Who's at the door? Oh, look who it is. Listen to him cry. He hasn't cried like that from just meeting someone before. Shh, let's listen to him cry. Aww, how cute is that? He loves you.
He missed me. I missed you too.
Does he look bigger?
Uh-huh.
Okay. You want me to keep... Oh, he's licking you. Isn't that cute? He's licking. All right, I'm going to end it. He's so happy. He's happy to be home. That's so cute. Okay, I'm stopping it now.